Chicago, Illinois, May 5th, 2025. Chicago police responded to a 911 call reporting a man with a knife inside an assisted living facility. When officers arrived and entered the apartment, they encountered 47-year-old Alfonso Wright, armed with a knife and visibly agitated. Officers attempted to calm Wright using de-escalation tactics and issued repeated verbal commands. When that failed, they deployed their tasers, but it had little effect.
Get down! Get down! Don't
hey,
do it
come
again.
on, come here.
What's up? Move. Get up!
Shots fired.
As tensions escalated, Wright suddenly charged at one of the officers while swinging the knife aggressively. Fearing for their safety, two officers opened fire, striking him multiple times. Wright was pronounced dead at the scene. Fortunately, no officers were injured.
Get down!
Hey, come on, come here.
Move. Get up! Shots fired. Yeah, good. Get down! Don't make me do it again! Get down! Get up! Shots fired on the EMS over here!
Inside the same apartment, police discovered a second victim, 58-year-old Keith Harding, lying dead with stab wounds to the neck and arm. Authorities believe Harding had been attacked by Wright before police arrived. A bloody knife was recovered at the scene. The case is now under investigation, and officials say all evidence so far supports the officer's use of deadly force as a necessary response to a violent and immediate threat.
Dispatch, we're trying to confirm what channel FHP is on. They're not responding on this channel.
On November 2nd, 2024, Malik Miller led authorities on a high-speed chase after fleeing a traffic stop in a blue Kia. Racing through US 99-0 and Pensacola Street, Miller evaded multiple PT maneuvers and even rammed a Florida Highway Patrol vehicle in a desperate attempt to escape.
Just west of the Canadian Church, if it comes this way. Alright, there was another pit attempt. Front of Dale Earnhardt Chevrolet, 2 pit attempts, unsuccessful. Vehicle.
Westbound on Tennessee. Westbound, brother. Westbound. Tennessee.
Eventually, a precise pit maneuver brought the chase to a halt. Miller and his 2 passengers were quickly detained, and officers discovered 75.5 grams of marijuana inside the vehicle. Miller later confessed to fleeing out of fear, but that didn't stop the charges. Aggravated fleeing and drug possessions were added to his record. Miami-Dade, Florida, January 13th, 2025. A high-stakes pursuit unfolded as Florida Highway Patrol Trooper Lasso Silva joined forces with the Broward County Sheriff's Office to stop a wanted suspect driving a black Mercedes SUV. What began as a traffic stop quickly turned into a dangerous chase as the driver jumped curbs and tore through heavy traffic, narrowly missing civilians.
Northbound coming to Sunrise.
Officers attempted a pit maneuver, spinning the vehicle, but the suspect wasn't ready to quit. He bailed, only for the front passenger to leap behind the wheel and continue the wild ride west on Sunrise Boulevard, blowing through red lights and ramping up the danger.
Careful!
Any additional units in the area, line 95 and Sunrise Drive 1 hour.
Run over! We gotta run over! Run over!
As the chase reached I-95, Trooper Silva executed a second pit maneuver with precision. The Mercedes flipped into the grassy median, bringing the chaos to a dramatic end. Eyewitnesses watched in disbelief as the scene unfolded. All three suspects surrendered without resistance. A search of the vehicle revealed 3 firearms. After medical evaluation, they were booked into Broward County Jail. The trio now faces multiple charges, including fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, illegal firearm possession, obstruction, and several outstanding felony warrants. On October 7, 2022, residents near River Road and I-285 in Georgia were left terrified when a ruthless criminal shot an innocent man to steal his white Dodge Charger. The next morning, he drove the stolen car as if nothing had happened, but when Clayton County officers closed in, he didn't flinch. The question now, will justice prevail?
Put your car in park and take your foot off the brake. I got you. Move back in there. Got it. Got it. Let me see it!
After committing such a brutal crime, the suspect had police on high alert. He was ordered to step out with his hands up, but only half complied and let hands out, refusing to move. Suddenly, he hit the gas, sparking a high-speed, high-stakes chase. The first pit attempt failed, but officers quickly corrected it, sending the car spinning off the road. Yet the pursuit didn't end there.
We got no shoulder. No. Right there. Leave the dog. He's in the dog.
Trapped and desperate, the suspects still tried to flee. Negotiations failed, and officers escalated their response. They threw objects to break the windows, then moved in with guns drawn. Finally, a K-9 was deployed. As it leapt into the car, gunfire erupted. The criminal was taken down, but tragically, the brave K-9 didn't survive. Could this have ended differently?
Hands up, hands up. Come here, come here. Hang out here. Hang out right here. Okay, hang out right here. Stay, stay. Hands up. Where's he at? Where's he at? Hey, come here, come here. Put that down. Put that down. Put it down. Put it down.
Faced with an immediate threat, officers fired their weapons, fatally striking the suspect and bringing the violent situation to an end within seconds.
Right now! Heel down! Ask for 10. Hey, let me see your hands!
At 7:53 p.m. on March 30th, officers Duhan, Shirk, and Melton approached Sui Dam, who was sitting inside his car. Upon noticing the officers, he stepped out with his right hand concealed in his pocket, instantly heightening the tension.
Fucking ground right now! Heel down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Where is he? You see him? You see him? Get on your fucking face!
Despite repeated commands to comply, Sui Dam drew a handgun and aimed it directly at the officers. In response, both officers fired simultaneously, striking him in the lower body and causing him to collapse to the ground.
Where is he? You see him? You see him? Yep, right here. Let's go. You on your fucking face! Let me see your fucking hands!
Where's the gun?
Let me see your fucking
Gun's right here. Gun's right here.
Right here! Put your fucking hands out!
So give me an update. Hey, you get rescue rolling.
I got somebody on the radio.
Juliet 460, we have shots fired on multiple officers.
You're cuffed. You're cuffed. You fucking move, I'm gonna blast your head off.
The officers swiftly moved in, restrained, and arrested Sui Dam while administering first aid at the scene. Unfortunately, his injuries proved fatal, and he did not survive.
Hey bro, where are you hit at? Where are you hit at? Where are you hit? Where are you hit at? Grab a bed bag. Shots fired! Where is he? You see him? You see him?
Yep, right here. Let's go.
You on your fucking face! Bro, on your face!
Hey, coming up to you now.
We also give you a status on officers 77 along with our subject.
Hold legs. Hey bro, where are you hit at? Where are you hit at? Where you hit? Where are you hit at? Hey, let me grab a med bag.
Under relentless pursuit from Georgia police and the Black Hawk team, the driver of a stolen truck tore through crowded intersections at over 60 miles per hour, veering into oncoming lanes and narrowly avoiding collisions. Each reckless turn pushed the high-stakes chase closer to disaster.
We're going to be going eastbound on McDonald Road. Speed is 20. Traffic light. Alright, we got a pit, Jonico and Access Road. Alright, he recovered, we're going eastbound Jonico, Patrick Henry, speed's 52, traffic light. 52 GSP out, negative bid times 2. Alright, ready, sorry. Oops, he crossed back over to the right side. We're crossing over Highway 42. Oh, making a left turn on the Highway 42.
After several calculated pit maneuvers, one finally hit its mark, blowing out a tire and sending the truck crashing into a roadside sign with force. The vehicle, now heavily damaged, skidded to a halt. Officers swiftly closed in, apprehending the suspect and bringing the dangerous pursuit to a safe and decisive end. River Delta.
Hey!